Hello, kiddos, and welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. I'm your teacher, Miss Hera, and today I'm here with a new sound. But before we move any further, you know that we need to revise the previous sounds. So let's get it started. Say these sounds yourself if you know them, or if you think that you have forgotten something, repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. A, m, h, k, o, o, b, p, r, s, k, t, a, d, n, a, v, e. Kudos! I hope you remember all of these sounds very well. And since you remember this, you need to learn something new. So here's the story for you. It's our story time, and we shall learn the new sound with the help of a story. So listen to the story carefully because the sound is hidden in the story. So, kids, this is the story of Jane. Jane loves jelly. Jane's mother has promised to make her some jelly this afternoon. When Jane gets home from school, she eats a slice of bread and jam and has a glass of orange juice. She tells her mother that she and her friend Javinda made a giant jigsaw of a juggler at school. Jane's mother shows Jan the jelly she has made. Wow, says Jan. The jelly is tall and red and has 4 layers. As Jane carries it to the table, it wobbles and wobbles. Jane pretends to wobble just like the jelly, saying, "Jelly on a plate, jelly on a plate, jelly on a plate." Now it's your turn to pretend to wobble like a jelly. Let's do it. Shake your shoulders up and down just like Jane and pretend as if you are a jelly wobbling on a plate. And don't forget to say j j j j j. And this was our story for today. So now who will tell me the sound that is hidden in this story? Have you got any idea? Yes, it's j j j. So if you want to do the action for this sound, you need to pretend to wobble on a plate and say j j j j j. Right? Now we need to see how do we write j. Writing j is very easy. We need to start from the blue lines, go to the red and turn a little, then put a dot at the top. Let's put your finger up in the air and move it along with my finger. Go down, turn, stop. Pick up your pencil, dot at the top. Let's try it once again. Go straight down to the red line, turn, stop. Pick up your finger, dot at the top. Done. And say j. Which sound is this? This is j. And now on this piece of paper, you will be writing j, 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 j. So if you have got this paper, go ahead, or you can use a plain paper to write j. Just remember one thing, that when you write j, say it j. Now let's get it started. Go down, turn, j, 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 jam, ja joker, j, jaguar. Let's write j in the lines now. Start with the blue lines, go to the red. Go straight down, turn, stop, j. Go straight down, turn, j, j, j. Have you done it? You can also color in the pictures given above. It's time to move on to our second worksheet. And in this worksheet, you know very well, we circled the pictures that have the sound that we are learning. Today it's J. So please circle the pictures with the J sound and leave the others, right? So this is J, snail, jam, snail, jam, J, jam, J, jelly, bat, jelly, bat, J, jelly, J, jacket, male, jacket, male, J, jacket, J, joker, dinosaur, joker, dinosaur, J, joker, J, jug, elephant, jug, elephant, J, jug. Whoa, we did it so quickly. I hope you have already done it. If you need some more time, so you can pause the video here, finish your worksheet, and then move to the next paper. Here we are with another worksheet. Again, we are finding the J sound in the pictures. So if you hear J in the picture, make a check. If you don't hear J in the picture, make a cross. Right? So can you name the first picture? It's jungle. Jungle. J, jungle. Do you hear J in jungle? Yeah, we do. Bird. Bird. J, bird. We don't hear J here. J, jellyfish. J, jellyfish. J, jellyfish. Jellyfish, yes. Kite. Kite. J, kite. No. Juice. J, juice. Yes, we hear J in juice. Gift. J, gift. G, g, g. We have a G sound here, not the J sound. So we will cross it. And now let's take some time to draw here something that has J sound in it. You can pause the video, finish your drawing, and then we can start the most important part of our lesson. That's blending. Now you are going to read some words, so please be careful, read them nicely. The first word is J, A, ja, jam. Quickly, jam. J, A, jet, jet. Quickly, jet. J, A, jug, jug. Quickly, jug. J, A, jog, jog. Quickly, jog. J, A, jail, jail. Quickly, jail. Whoa, you were so good at this. Now it's segmenting time. You need to listen to the words carefully that I'm going to say and then write them down in your notebooks. But be careful. First, we will tap the sounds on our fingers, put the sound dots on the paper, and then we'll write the sounds. Okay? Let's get it started. Let's sound out the word jog. Jog. Finger tap. J, O, G. Jog. Let's write it. J, O, jog. Jog. Say quickly. Jog. You did it. The next word is jam. Jam. Finger tap. J, A. Jam. Let's write it. J A Ja Jam. Together, jam. Let's finger tap the word jail. Jail. The sounds are J A Jail. Let's write it. J A. How do we write A? This is A and E together. A. Jail. Jail. Say quickly. Jail. Let's sound out the word jet. Jet. As fast as a jet. Finger tap. J. A. Jet. Jet. Let's write it. J. A. Jet. Jet. Quickly. Jet. Now the last word is jug. Jug. J. A. Jug. Jug. Let's write it. First sound J. J. A. This is A here. Jug. Jug. Quickly. Jug. This is amazing, dear. Even if you have made some mistakes, you can listen to the words again and try them once more. And now, this paper is just for you. You need to say the names of these pictures. If you hear J sound in them, color in them. If you don't hear J, leave them as it is. I'm saying the names once for you. Please listen to them carefully. Jam, jacket, hanger, jug, pastry. Jam, jacket, hanger, jug, pastry. Now color in the pictures that have J sound in them, right? And at the end, you have got some homework to do. You can jog in your house and find 5 things that have J sound in them. Moreover, you can ask your mother if she can make some jelly for you and help her make it. Don't forget to share it with your siblings and friends. And this is the end of our today's class. I hope you have learned something new today. If yes, so please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Watch the previous and also the next videos that are coming very soon. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.